evening, doctors. Welcome again. As you all know, I always like to guide you regarding NEET PG exam, regarding aims and everything. So, a lot of viewers ask me how to just qualify the NEET PG with 50 percentile, and somebody interested to score very excellent rank like below 3000, below 1000. So, how to score? Guys, I always like to discuss lot of strategy how to crack, but this time the strategy is little bit different. But guys, you know what, at least I like to put bullet points in revision one day before topic. Bullet points 1 2 like CML, AML, everything. So guys, if you remember, the bullet point means a short point. If you remember the short summary, at least 1000 topics, 1000 topic, 1000 topic. Short summary of each topic means 3 line, 4 line explanation of each topic. For example, I will explain you that in pericarditis, what you have to remember, in pericarditis, when patient lying down, he feels chest pain, severe chest pain. When he bend forwards, pain relieves. It represents pericarditis. You have to remember this line, this point. And we see ST elevation in pericarditis, and we see increased marker inflammatory like CK, etc. And treatment of pericarditis is by simple NSAIDs. Only 3-4 lines you have to remember. Pericarditis is a huge topic. If you want to remember during the last day of exam, impossible. So many things. So you have to remember only short and sweet summary of pericarditis. Such points, such 1000 topic points if you remember, then you are able to crack the exam easily in a single attempt. For example, mixed syndrome. Mixed syndrome, you have to remember only 3 things. Triad. First, you have to remember like this is an ovarian fibroma with ascites and pleural effusion. If patient has such clinical features, that means he is suffering from mixed syndrome. And Lyme disease, like infectious, if you are going to touch infectious causes. In Lyme disease, you have to remember small things. Like Borrelia burgdorferi is a causative agent, erythema migrans, erythema cornicum. We see in Lyme disease meningitis, headache we see in Lyme disease, arthritis and heart blocks, cardiac blocks we see. Treatment of Lyme disease within 72 hours of. So doxycycline is a drug of choice, and complication we treat with benzathine, penicillin or by cefotaxime. So you have to remember such points. My aim to explain you. Remember guys, bullet points. If you remember 1000 bullet points, then definitely in your exam you are able to crack exam easily. For example, you have to remember primary biliary cirrhosis and primary sclerosing cholangitis. How to remember? In primary biliary cirrhosis, we have see the antibody. What kind of antibody? That is anti-mitochondrial antibodies. But in case of primary sclerosing cholangitis, we see antibodies. What type? Anti-nuclear antibodies, anti-smooth muscle antibodies. But in primary biliary cirrhosis, we are going to see more. We see pruritus, means itching, jaundice there, raised in alkaline phosphatase, and treatment by ursodeoxycholic acid and by liver transplant. Or sometimes what we need to do there, investigation by liver biopsy for staging. But in primary sclerosing cholangitis, what we are going to see? We are going to see primary sclerosing cholangitis. We do ERCP, MRCP treatment, same like primary sclerosing cholangitis. And we see here malabsorption of fat. Due to malabsorption of fat, there is steatorrhea and we see jaundice. So guys, you have to remember in such way. If you remember 1000 important points regarding this is not one liner, this is 1000 important points, then you are able to easily crack the exam. If you remember 1000 important points, bullet points you have to memorize, like CML, ALL and APL. Like CML, in chronic myeloid leukemia, I am going to give you the example which boosts your confidence to crack the exam easily. So please go through my all bullet points and 500 important topic wise MCQ. If you want to score excellent rank, then you have to solve. And past year I put important one-liners that gives you a lot of confidence, but last year not so much MCQs are coming from that one-liners. But I think this year, if you are going to prepare well with bullet points, then you are able to crack the exam easily. This is very high yield topic, CML, AML, ALL, CLL. So let's discuss about CML. I am going to explain you here. In CML, the most important point you have to remember, in my bullet point I already put, like Philadelphia chromosome in CML, that is chromosome translocation 9:22. And what else we are going to see here? We see massive splenomegaly, anemia, high platelets, high WBC, infections. We see lots of counts increases. And what else? How to treat CML? CML treatment is mainly by imatinib is a drug of choice, or by bone marrow transplant. Or sometimes we are going to do investigation in CML like cytogenetics and by PCR. Cytogenetics and PCR we are going to perform. We see BCR and ABL fusion. So guys, such kind of gene you have to remember in CML about this. CML we see what? Chronic myeloid, so that's why mature cells we see. In ALL we see what kind of cells? Acute lymphocytic leukemia is the most common leukemia in children. And we see here in ALL we mainly going to find blast cells, whereas in CLL we see smear cells. So guys, please remember 3 things. The final summary of memorizing 3 things, that is 500 important topics, MCQs topic wise. Another one is bullet points, and revise my 1 day folder revision 1 day before exam folder. And you have to memorize one more thing, like everyday MCQs about cardiology, play, view assembly, you have to memorize. And if you have a lot of time, you have to practice NEET PG MCQs, which I put on my channel. Thank you, good day, goodbye. That's all for today. If you like this video, put like on it. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you once again. Namaskar. And if